Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a very quick guide on how you can create a TradingView indicator using GROK AI. This is helpful if you want AI generated signals, trend detection, or alerts for smarter trading decisions. So once you're on your TradingView, you will just have to check any chart that you want. So for example, this chart right here, and then just go ahead and wait for it to load, and you will just have to click full chart, and you will just have to select indicators. So now that you're here, you will just have to look for GROK AI. So it should be somewhere right here, or you could also, search for it. So you do have to make sure that it's actually available for you. So once you see your GROK AI, you will just have to open your GROK AI, and then you will just have to click AI tools, and then again select your GROK AI. And yeah, uh and the next, what you will have to do is input your parameters or trading strategy. So, for example, moving averages, the RSI levels, and then Grok AI will generate the indicator script. So, yeah, you could also apply the indicator to chart by clicking add to chart, which is right here, and then the AI indicator will appear as overlay. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.